Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about font which is present in Home tab beside the clipboard. This is called font group. Here we have font size, font style, increase, decrease and other options. If I want to select this, I will select, or if I want to select this like this, I will select, and if I press here, see the font style is changing. Whatever I want, I will just press this. See here, font is changed. Now if I want to select all at a time and I need to change the text, I click here. See here, everything has been selected. If I change, for example, I will change this. The total text which is present here is changed to that text. If I want to change this or this one, see here, the total text which is here is been changed up to like that. If I press times New Roman, change it to like this. There is one more option. If I select this particular column, I can select like this I can select. Otherwise I will just drag up to here and I can select and change the name, or otherwise I will click here and I will press Ctrl A. Up to that column, entire is selected. If I press here or somewhere else and I just select Ctrl A, everything has been selected. If I want the particular column, then I will select this and I will just change the font. Like this I can change. If I want to change in different position, press Ctrl and press select, and next go for here and select. By holding Ctrl you need to select. You should not leave the control. And again I will go here and I will select, and again I will go here and I will select, and I will select one more. Now release the control and press here and just go for this or this. Yeah, this. See here, total font which I have selected is changed. I have selected this one, this one, this one, this one. See, every font has been changed. There is one more option also. We no need to go for here. We can right click here and we can get the font size here also, so that we can change. See here it is changing what I want. For example, I see here the font style is changing. We can get here also everything. Otherwise we can change individual cell also by clicking like this and just go here and change by clicking like this, or just go here and just change like this. For individual also we can change by selecting. Okay, we need to click right click and we can go here and we can change. Like this I can change, or we can also change like this. We will click here and double click and just select this, like by clicking here and just select this and just go for this change. See here, entire is changed. Like this also we can change. Otherwise we will click this, normally click here and just go here and just change the font style. Like this we can change. Like so, these are the many ways how we can change the font style. If you want more fonts, we can download from website. I don't think we need a much fonts, because in default there are many fonts are present. We can do with this. And next one is this. This is called font size. This is font style and this is called font size. So which size we need? For example, I will select this and I will hold like this. I can increase this size. 22 I kept, and the size is increased. If I want to increase this size or decrease, I will right click here. Here also we can change or increase the size like this. If I want to increase this like this, I will click and double click. See here, one time we need to click and again double click, and we need to drag like this, select everything. Then also we can change the size. Here, see here I just clicked here and I right click, and next I will go for some style and I will increase the font or I will decrease the font size. Like this we can. And there is one more option. We will click here and see here blue color came. Now we can type some 50 and just put enter. See here we have increased the size, and again just click there and change to some 10 and press enter. See here it is size 10. Like this we can increase and decrease the size of the font. Next one is this. This is also same. For increasing the font, see I have selected this. Now I will need to increase this font. Like this it will increase. If I want to decrease, like this will decrease. For that these two options are there. Decrease the font size. Now this is bold. If I press, for example, I will select this max and I press bold. Now see here it is somewhat thicken. There is a shortcut for this is called Control B. For example, I will select this and I will press this. See here, cool has been. I will select this all text and I will do same. The entire text has been thickened. Next is Italian or italic words or slant words. For example, I will select this and just I press this. See here, the has been slanted. Slanting position came here. If I select this all text, I select this, everything has been changed into the slanting position. Like this, it is used, and we have a shortcut called Control I. Control I means italic letters. Now next one is, I can also change this one also. Like I press this, see everything has been changed. And next one is underline. If I want underline, I will select this and I press underline. See, the morning has an underline. Before we don't have. For example, I will select this. I press underline. See, and now I will select this. For example, there is a shortcut for underline, that is Control U. If I press Control U, see here it is formed. Now I will press this Control B also. See, and now Control U also. Underline also came. Now here one more option is there, the arrow mark. What is that? It is double underline. If we select and click this, we can get double underline. Now see here, and got double underline, and got double underline. For example, D. I will selecting this word D and I will press this one. We got double underline. Next one, I will select this and I will press this. Double underline came. Like this, we can give an underline to the text. We will discuss about this borders before that we will discuss about these two. This is called coloring the text. If we press this like this, we can get. For example, I am selecting this. For example, I will select this and I am just clicking here. See here, color has been changed. There is one more option here, arrow mark. If I press arrow mark, here it is showing that many colors. Whatever color I will select will change in the border. If I select this, see here, I will select this and just put red color. See here, I got this color. If I want to select this many and I just go for here and I will press green color. See here, we got a green color. Like this, we can get color. I have selected this and now I am just adding some color, or we got this color. If I want more than that, if I want more than that, I will go for more colors and I will press here. Or here is standard. This one also I can press. Both are okay. Okay. Like this I got more colors. Custom color need to change. See here, I got a color. This is the, if I don't want any color, I will select here and I will go here and fill no color. If I fill like this, see here, the color has been disappeared. Like this, we can clear the color. If I select like this and now I press here, see everything has been changed. Now this is font color. This is font background color or fill color. This is font color. If I select this is in black color. If I select this, see here it is changed to violet color. Now here one more option is there. You can go there and just select these colors. There are many colors here. If I select a red color, see here our font is changed to red color. If I select more colors, here we got many colors, custom standard. We go into the standard and I will press this. Okay, color has been changed to blue. Now same I am doing one more side, custom. Now I will go for pink color. Color has been changed to pink color. Like this we can get. If I don't want any color, then I will press back. See, normal color. Okay, like this these two are useful. Now we will go for borders. These are called borders. Now is borders. For example, I need to say something. If I need to give print, I will select like this and there is a shortcut for print, that is Control P. See here we got this Control P option, or we can go to file and then go here and just print. Here we got print option. Here these are many colors. If I print, we don't get these lines. Without lines it will come. Then how to get these lines? For that the borders are useful. If I use these borders, then I will get lines in print after printing also. For example, these are borders. If I select these all things and I press here, we got only bottom line only. So we need all lines. Then we will go for one more option. Here there is arrow mark. Press here. This is bottom line, top line. What is the use of top line? Let us see. I will select these all things and I will go for top line. Now see here, top line is also came, but I need still. This is left side border, means only left line will come. This is right side border, only right. If I press this no borders, the borders will be erased. Not there. Here there is all borders. If I press this, see everything is border. Now I can print with these all lines. If I use thickened outside, the borders somewhat will be thick when compared to inside borders. Next is bottom double line border, means two lines will be coming. Thick border. This is normal border and here it is thick borders. Here double tick borders. Most of the people use all borders. And this is, I'm just pressing no borders. Up to here I'm selecting and I'm just pressing no borders. See, everything has been erased. Now again I will select like this and I will go for draw borders. What is the use of draw borders? Like this pencil symbol came. If we drag like this, we got up to that border. Again I will do. See here, if I press like this, the borders are coming. If I need border, I will do like this. Custom borders, like we can draw borders whatever we want to do. We can draw borders whatever we can draw, like this. Now I am going for draw border grid. Up to now only we got only from lines. Now this is border grid. If I do like this, see here all boxes came, but in this we did not get boxes. Of our boxes also we have drawn. For this we are getting direct boxes. See here, like this. This is useful. Erase borders. If I want to erase like this, I can erase. Like this I can erase the borders. Like this. See here, every border is erased. Like this. Everything has been erased. Like that we can erase the borders. Now line color. For example, we are drawing up to now borders. Which color we want? The line. Border line color. If I press red and I just drag, see here, red color lines came. Like that this border colors helpful. Border line. Now style, line style. If I want double line or dotted line or dash line, we can draw. For example, I will use this and I will just draw. See here, we got like this. Otherwise, I use this one and I will just select all borders. First I need to select this. If I want all borders, and I will select line style, this one, and I will go for all borders. See here, everything has a dotted lines came here. Total everything I did and the new dotted lines came here. Like this borders helpful. Now I'm gonna tell now somewhat deep. Now I'm gonna tell somewhat deep inside. So I will select this and I will hold shift and I will go for target set. Next I will change the color. See here, everything has been changed. Like this we can change. And there is one more option called Control Shift F. See here, we got format cells. In this we can change and all what are the options here. The same options will be seen here. Size, font style, it's a regular or italic bold, and the style of this, and stroke, I mean like strike, superscript. Everything has been here. The color of the font and everything will be here. For the same for the borders also same like this. Same options, whatever the options here, all options has been seen here, and we can adjust more than original thing. And for fill also there are, fill means this color. This is called fill color or background color. This also we got, and from here also we can adjust whatever we want. And about alignment, section, number, I will tell in future classes whenever they came.